Hello everyone, this is take 3 of this video, and I hope I get it right this time. Anyway, I got a happy mail from Chiquita at Chiquita Crochet, and Chiquita makes beautiful papers and sells them. But the very first thing on the top of it was purple. So I'm going to blame Chiquita for me not hitting record because I got so flustered over she sent me purple. Everybody knows Kathie don't like purple, but she did it for spite anyway. But she sent me all this beautiful, beautiful pink, which I do love. And you got to see this blue. Chiquita, I know the camera's not picking this up good, but this is the perfect shade of blue. I want to know what you use to get that shade. And look, more purple. More purple, more purple. I'm going to make you something with your purples. And I got a bag, glassine bag, that's perfect pink. And another little one, and some tickets, and a note. Says, Kathie, because you love me. Purple! Ha 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 ha. Hugs. I laugh every time, and this is the third time I've done this video. But I laugh every time. So thank you, dear sweet Chiquita. I needed the giggles. And I love, love, love this paper. And the fact that she did so much of it. And it gave me a great idea if I can find any of this paper anywhere. Because this is the perfect size mini journal. So yeah, I love this. And I love the way she gets her colors to blend in. It is gorgeous. It's just absolute. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. I'm not sure what she uses to dye her papers with. Look at this vibrant pink. Holy cow. That is so pretty. I know some people use dye, some people use vegetables, some people use Kool-Aid. This is just awesome. I really want to know what you use for that blue though. And this pink is really, it's better than the pink I was using, so help a sister out here and tell me what you use. Look at this. It is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I love it all, Chiquita. Well, I love that stuff. You know I'm not even going to lie to you and tell you I love that purple. But I am going to use it. Oh yes I am. You're going to see this purple again. I promise you're going to see this purple again. Okay, thank you Chiquita, and thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.